Hello everyone, welcome back to Trailhead Ranger NJ. And today we will be doing this module that is Lightning App Builder. So I have already completed few of these modules, but I will be retaking this. And first challenge is the quiz one, so I can't retake it. But please, you try, and if you fail or if you face any problem in any of the question of that quiz of challenge one, that is get started with the Lightning App Builder, please post the question in the comment section and I'll be happy to help. So let's get started with the second challenge, that is build a custom home page for lighting experience. I'll launch the Trailhead playground, and now let's see what we have to do. We have to create a lightning app page first and name it as sales home, and its template should be standard home page. So we'll open this. Let's go to setup. We'll search for lightning app builder. We'll click on new and then home page. As it is saying, we need to create a home page. Then next, label should be sales home. Template standard home page. We need to add these standard components to it, that is performance, assistant, today's task, and key deals. So I guess most of it are already added. So performance is already added, so we will delete this. Then assistant is also there. Then today's task, it's also there. And then key deals. So let's delete others. And we need to activate this page. We will save it first and activate it. We need to assign it to sales app and then custom sales profile. Assign to apps, sales, next, save. And then app and profile, assign to apps and profile. Profile was custom sales profile. We select this, next, and it is saved and activated. Now let's check our challenge. We have completed this assignment. Now let's move on to the next, that is build a custom record page for lightning experience and salesforce mobile app. Let's go to its challenge. I'll retake this. Now we need to create a lightning page, that is record page, and its label should be new account page. So we will go back to this. We'll click on new, then record page, next, label account is, sorry, object, and then the template is header and right sidebar. Standard component, we need highlight panel and tabs, so we will search for highlight panel and then tabs. Update the tabs component at the activity tab. Okay, so we will click over here. You can see here add tab button. We will rename it to activity. Done. Now next we have standard component to each tab, activities to activity, record detail component to details tab, and related list to related tab. Okay, so as we are first on related tab, so let's search for related list. We'll drag and drop here. Then to details, we will search for record detail, then drag drop here. Now we will click on activity and we will search for activities. We will drag drop here. So yes, we will save it. We need to activate it and make it available for desktop and phone. Assign as org, desktop and phone. That's it. Save. Let's check our challenge. So we are done with this assessment as well. Now sorry, let's move on to the next challenge, that is get started with dynamic forms. We will go back to here. Yes, so it is saying that we need to complete before challenges, that is custom record page, that we have already done. Now we need to enable dynamic forms on mobile and upgrade the new account page to use dynamic forms. So you might have already opened your new account page, or if you haven't, please do so. Please open that, and then we will click on the details and we will click on the form over here. You can see the option here that we can enable it to dynamic forms, upgrade it to this, and we have upgrade now button. We will click on this. Click on next, and then we can select the page layout as main layout, then finish. Now next we have update the tabs component, that is add a more information tab. Okay, so we will add this tab here. We will click on custom. Done. We will go to this. We need to move these field sections to this tab. So as you might have seen that we did not have this more information tab by default, so we created a custom tab, and now we will move the sections, remove the sections, that is additional information, system information, and description information to this tab. So we'll go to the details section. We have this section over here. You can you can grab it using this plus icon, and then we will move it to tab here. Okay, so I did not just drop it. Yeah. Next was system information. So similarly, we will grab the system information, go to the tab, and then drop it here. Last is description information. So yes, that's how we have moved these sections to the more information tab. Now we need to remove these fields from the new account page, that is fax and SLA expiration date. So we can see this field over here, we can delete it, and the last one is fax, we can delete it from here. Let's check if that field is present anywhere else. No. Sorry. So it is saying the record detail mobile component shouldn't be present on the page, and you can see that it is saying that record detail mobile supports only on the phone from form factor, so it is not present. We can save it as it is and it won't create any problem. So let's save it. It is already activated, so let's check our challenge. Okay, so we have not enabled this setting. As you can see, it is at first only saying that enable dynamic forms on mobile, and we have forget that. So let's go back and we can search for mobile. We can see Salesforce mobile app. You click on this, and then we can see dynamic forms on mobile. It is enabled now. Let's check. And this we need to remove now because it might be visible. So let's open our page in the meantime. Is still present? Yes, because we need to remove that. It was on details tab, so we will remove this, save it, and now let's check our challenge again. So we have successfully completed this challenge as well. Now let's move on to the next one, that is add visibility rules for dynamic pages. Let's go to its challenge. Again, it is using our new account page which we have created in our third challenge. Now we need to add a rich text component to the page with this text, that is hot account. Okay, so we will go back here, we will search for rich text. Although it is not mentioned that where we want to add it, so we will add it in the details section and this account information section. Okay, and we need to give it its text as hot account. Visibility rule is that its filter type is record field rating should be equal to hot. Okay, we can add filter over here. Record field, which field was that? That is rating equals hot. Done. We can save it. We will check this challenge again. Please pardon my voice, I'm having a cold and cough. So we have completed this challenge as well, and it's showing completing badge for me because I have already completed the last two challenges as well, but I'll be redoing it again with you. So let's retake this, and we need to create a lightning app page, that is app page with name as my data. We'll go back. We'll search for lightning app builder again and then click on new. We'll click on app page, label is my data. One region is the template and API name should be this. We'll click on done. Now we need to add the recent items standard component. So we will search for it. We will drag drop here. Now we need to select our objects and give its label as recent items. So we will give this, select, we'll remove this account, then contact and lead. Okay, so activate the app for all user, and it should be added to the mobile navigation as well. So we will go to this, add page to the app. It is added here. Activate for all users. We will save it. And we will check our challenge. So we have completed this challenge as well. Now let's go to the last challenge of this lightning app builder module, and then you will be receiving this shiny super badge, that is lightning app builder, not super badge, only a badge. So we need to install this package. We will copy this package ID, we'll go back and then search for install a package. You can see this install a package tab only in your playground, not in dev org. You click on install and then add the context today custom lightning component. Okay, so that means this package must be having that lightning component which we will be adding to this lightning app. So we'll copy this. We will wait for its installation in the meantime. So installation is completed. Now we will go back to the lightning app builder and open our my data app. We'll edit it, and we need to add this component to the page. So it's added. We will save it. It's saved, and now let's check our challenge. So we have completed this lightning app builder badge with all the challenges except first one, which is having a quiz. So if you are facing any challenges or doubt on those quiz, please let me know in the comment section. Post the question of that quiz and other challenges you can find in this video. Any other doubt or any question, please let me know in the comment section. And please do like the video, subscribe the channel, and if you have any suggestion on which another super badge or module I should make the video, please let me know. Thank you, stay tuned.